Welcome back. So yeah, I'm so glad that we got our Lucid Gravity Grand Touring back. So we request for the bare decals. So unfortunately, they did not put this on because this decal is only for Lucid Air. So I guess they don't want to be liable for putting it on and stuff like that. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to apply this onto the vehicle. Hopefully you get it straight as possible. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go out there and then put it on the left and right front fenders. So on the back, there's this label right here, and it shows 3 M's on the back, and this is the front. So yeah, you're gonna peel this off. You see the sticker. So this is almost like a dark gray or dark color. So black on dark gray, I'm not sure it's gonna show. So anyway, let's go and then put this on the front. I have this leveler, so I know if it's crooked or not. I'm gonna put like a masking tape as a strip so I could kind of use that as a guideline. So yeah, I'm gonna put the leveler on the top, so when I move around, I know if it's straight or not. Unfortunately, the car is parked on the driveway. It's in a slope. I'll need to park on the flat surface, and let me drive it to the flat surface and redo this. Peel it off slowly. Wow, nice. So yeah, it's like a dark gray color. Wow, look at that, very nice. Well, the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing, then wipe it out with the soapy water. There. Well, sorry this side take a little bit longer. I put too much soapy water. So anyway, that's how you put the decal, and make sure there's no lint. I guess my microfiber cleaning cloth is kind of dirty, so much lint still. But I try to manage to get everything off. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.